Hello everyone, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I wanna show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Hope you enjoy it. Let's see. Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and today I'm in Taksim Square. Taksim Square is also the location of the Republic Monument. Taksim Square or Taksim Meydane, situated in Beyoğlu in the European part of Istanbul, Turkey. This square is flanked to the south by the Marmara Hotel, to the east by the Atatürk Cultural Center, to the north by Gezi Park, and to the west by Taksim Mosque. Taksim is a main transportation hub and a popular destination for both tourists and residents of Istanbul. As you can see, here is so crowded, but it's very nice. You can see all kind of people from all over the world. I always enjoy walking on Taksim Square and Istiklal Street. And hope you enjoy this walking tour too. It's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. And comment me if you've been there, what was your experience? Thanks for watching, love you all.